There are 3 versions of NHJJ Constant Speed Mixer: Chinese version, English version, and Russian version. Functions and operating methods of components. Connect instrument with power supply and suppress power button. Automatic mode. Turn auto or manual switch to indicate automatic mode. Pour the liquid required by the test into the mixing cup and weigh some cement with its mass consistent with test requirements. Pull run or stop switch to indicate run, and then the mixer will start up. Start to add cement slurry evenly at once and finish it within 15 seconds. Because the instruments will run at 4,000 RPM during the first 15 seconds after the run or stop switch is put to indicate run. Then the cement slurry is added into the mixing cup completely, put on a cup cap to prevent slurry from spraying. The rotational speed of instrument will increase to 12,000 RPM after 15 seconds, and it will continue running for another 35 seconds by default. After the mixing is completed, pull run or stop switch to indicate stop. Manual mode, select a low speed or high speed manually. Turn auto or manual switch to indicate manual mode, and pull the low or high speed switch to indicate low speed. Pour the liquid required by the test into the mixing cup and weigh some cement with its mass consistent with test requirements. Pull run or stop switch to indicate run, and then the mixer will start up. After the cement slurry is added into the mixing cup, pull the low or high speed switch to indicate high speed, making the mixer run at a rotational speed of 12,000 RPM. Otherwise, the instrument will run at a low rotational speed of 4,000 RPM. Pull the low or high speed switch to indicate high speed. After the mixing is completed, pull run or stop switch downward to the central position. Manual mode adjusts rotational speed as required manually. Turn auto or manual switch to indicate manual mode. Pour the liquid required by the test into the mixing cup and weigh some cement with mass consistent with test requirements. Pull run or stop switch to indicate run, and then the mixer will start up. Turn speeder knob to a proper rotational speed. Start to add cement slurry evenly. When the cement slurry is added into the mixing cup completely, put on a cup cap to prevent slurry from spraying. Then turn the speeder knob to a proper rotational speed. After the mixing is completed, pull run or stop switch to indicate stop. Parameter settings.